This is why you need to see a dirty thunderstorm. Volcanic lightning at its finest. When a volcano erupts, it's already an awe-inspiring sight, but add lightning to the mix, and you've got a dirty thunderstorm. Here's how it works. Volcanic ash and gases shoot into the atmosphere, and as they collide, they generate static electricity. The result? Lightning bolts crackling through the ash cloud, creating a dramatic and electrifying display. It's nature's ultimate light show, blending fire and electricity in a way that's absolutely mesmerizing. So next time you hear about a volcanic eruption, think about the possibility of witnessing this incredible phenomenon. It's a reminder of just how powerful and dynamic our planet truly is.